Hello there, and welcome to our channel, KOAI.
Hello guys. Today is something really interesting in our channel. So today we're gonna test NVIDIA PiT. As you can see, first let's take a look at the result. This is a classic Z-Turbo image with a LoRa I trained back in the days, and let's take a look. This is the original. You can notice something? Sure thing you can. It's blurry, and from distance, overall, it's in nice pictures. It's really fine, but you can notice some artifact on the eyes and low details. The image is not crispy. So let's take a look at the result with NVIDIA PiT or PiT. I don't know how to pronounce it, so sorry guys. Let's take a look. Guys, it's massive. Let's zoom in a little bit. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. Look at the skin. It was completely flat in this case. And look now. Look at the air. Let's take a look. Beautiful. So this model, let's say, works with Flux and with Z-Turbo, I don't know what's called, Z-Turbo, ZIT, and Z base. So you can use all of them. They share the same VI, so you will not struggle so much with it. You can see AE safe tensor. Here's not so important, to be honest. Like I modified a little bit this workflow. This is the original workflow provided by NVIDIA. Thank you, NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA is doing an amazing job. Okay, they started all of this, let's say, but it's amazing that despite being a huge, massive, multi-billionaire company, they're still providing open source content for free, and they're really active. So here we can see the model, low diffusion model. Here I put a LoRa, so you can use your LoRa, like in this case, it works perfectly fine. And here you have the rest of the nodes. I put a lot of nodes here, so nodes, not nodes. So you can find all the models you need and the instructions. Because for instance, let's take a look. You see, like when you're generating 512 pixels, okay, you should use the model that will provide 2048. If you producing like 1024, 1024, you are supposed to use the other model, 4096. It's really important because otherwise you're gonna bump into a lot of artifacts. Don't do that, absolutely. So it's quite specific with this. Just download the one you need. You can just click here and it will open, and you see you will download whatever you need. In this case, you can go back to the official page. You can check information if you want and download what you want. The workflow will be provided in our Telegram channel or Discord channel, both according to you. You just copy paste, and first thing you have to do absolutely is go to Manager, Update All, ComfyUI, or use the PowerShell as you prefer, but you need the last version of ComfyUI. Absolutely mandatory at the moment that it's the end of May 2026. So when you're done with it, you will find new nodes like this, PID conditioning. And if you struggle with it, because I'm not gonna lie, a lot of friends had a lot of issues with it, me too. So If you have some technical issue, just I'm gonna open a section with technical support in our channel, and feel free to ask, and we're gonna do our best to support you and fix this cursed node. We love it, but it's a little bit tricky sometimes. Here we have Gemma 2, amazing like model, really. Gemma 2, I think it's a, I don't know, it's just massive. I know we reach like Gemma 4 at the moment, but this is still absolutely available. And nothing here, you will just put the model. So once you will install the model, then pick it, because it can be slightly different. If you see the node is red, is not finding the model, just click here and select it. In this case, Gemma 2. And here you will find where to put, as you can see. In this case, you will see something like, because I copy paste from mine, but it doesn't really matter, user ComfyUI desktop, and then in this case, models, diffusion models, models, text encoders, models, diffusion models, okay, because this is the other version, and that's pretty much it. Be it like via, same here, but quite easy. Like I put in order to be sure and a little bit more comfortable, especially to download them. It exploded. What happened? Perfect. So now let's take a look to another result. Here, a close-up. As you can see, like always, my LoRa, nothing crazy to be honest, but let's take a look at close-ups. Here probably I would say that my LoRa did an amazing job, so I think it was not necessary, but you can see the difference is clear, blurry, and here super detailed, really detailed. It's beautiful. Now let's take a look at something a little bit different. And here we can notice a nice thing. Here, first of all, let's check together. The prompt is beautiful Mediterranean villa, swimming pool with a realistic caustic, sunny day, grass around the villa, and some tree. Absolutely ridiculous prompt by me, but that's not important. Let's take a look. So, the original. Let's see. Let's take a look at the grass. For example, you will notice the grass is really oversaturated, so it's really ugly and blurry. And let's take a look. After NVIDIA, it's crazy realistic. I would say the colors are perfect. Massive change. Let's take a look at the swimming pool, the caustic. We get a lot of details, and now let's take a look at something a little bit far away. You can see normally it's completely shuttered, like you could barely see it, to be honest. It's so blurry. And now let's take a look. Beautiful. Simply amazing. This model is massive. So, and now if you train your LoRa and you will use with Flux or with Zit, I mean, you don't need Nano Banana or whatever anymore for 4K pictures. Like, so this is a huge difference. Let's take a look at this again. The image became much crisper, as you can see. Let's go really close. Look at the difference. Guys, it's massive. I don't know, but I'm so happy this came out, and so now we can build new workflows with it, and we gain a lot of quality. Let's take a look here. Massive. And you know what I really like about this? That normally such a upscaler enhancer, I don't know. The problem is that, for example, if you have a doff effect, it will destroy it. So it will try to make everything sharp because it will recognize this is blurry and it should be sharp. So it will fix it for the AI, but it will destroy for you the doff effect. And in this case, I have no idea how they trained this because I tried so many times with LoRa's or bigger models and I was just never able to exclude the doff effect like from the enhancer upscaler like this. So incredible. Guys, let me know what do you think about this. If the video was useful, put a like, subscribe and follow our channel. Have a nice one. Stay open source.
If you liked the video, put like, comment, and follow for more.